We have a patient, 60 years old gentleman, hypertensive, has come with sudden loss of vision in the right eye, and he all for about 1 month duration, and the left eye he had the same problem which occurred about 1 year ago in the left eye. So when we did a OCT and find out problem, there was a left eye large macular hole more than 1000 micron, and the right eye which he had a recent macular hole only about 300 micron. We operated on the right eye with a new technique, cabbage peel technique, for the first time, and after 8 days we are operating on the left eye of the same patient which has a large the macular hole. If it is very large, it has to be closed properly by auto serum or peels or glue. So we decided, we have done all these tricks but not successful. So in this technique I am going to show you a very recent trend using a very minimal amount of dye of Reti blue under air to stain. After staining the dye and the ILM with under the air for 1 minute, you can see even for the shorter time we were using for 2 minutes, now we are using only 1 minute, and the amount of dye was very less. So we did a partial FGE, then did a dye injection, and now we are removing and peeling and the ILM at various places. You can see all 360 degrees we are creating an edge with the loop. This is a very helpful tool which has a diamond brush, and it creates a edge. In creating the edge, in 90% of times we fail in the first time, and even if we create edge, it has got bleeding. So you can see there is no bleeding at the edge, and all the 360 degree we have created an edge. Using the new ILM forceps, we are lifting the flap in a cabbage peel technique. Small peels all around the hole up to the edge, just keeping it fixed at the point of lifting at the edge. You can see initially we were not able to keep it, but now with this new technique of 270 to 280 degree peeling all around, we are leaving the edge at the macular hole. So the principle of closure is do a large release of the traction up to the limbal arcade, as you can see in this video, and you peel all around up to the arcade in a larger area. If the large area is large, if the hole is large, you have to peel larger. So you have to release the tangential traction, and nearly after the completion of 270 degree, the last part of the membrane is going to be peeled at the ILM. So this is the most important part between disc and macula. So you have to be very careful not to damage this part which has got the nerve fiber layer bundle. So after the peeling is complete, just do a good release of auto serum at few points, so that the leakage of the serum also helps in the closure of the hole. So if you have got small ILM or breaks in the retina, don't worry. Small breaks, partial thickness, releases serum which is good for the hole to close. So we have done all the 360 degree release of the ILM, and now the surgery is mostly over. I will do a FGE with a silicone oil tip, keeping it away from the hole at the disc, so that when you suck from the disc side, the ileum which is there, you can see it is slowly lifting towards the hole. So hole is covered by the ileum, and you don't have to touch the membrane peels. If you touch the peels, they may dislodge. So this is the new technique which we have developed, that is known as cabbage peel with fluid drainage and ileum reposition of the macular hole without touching with the tip. We are creating a suction towards the disc which is pulling the hole and the membranes on the hole. The 25 gauge sutureless vitrectomy is being done. 1.2 ml of gas is injected.